Alright, I've got this rather second-hand looking aluminium radiator. Now, it's going in a burnout car and needs some adjustments. So mainly this pipe is, well, pointing into a chassis rail or something, so it needs to be rotated about 30 degrees and also have an extra section put in there so that it runs parallel with the core. We're also going to be putting some extra mounts onto the sides, and well, it should be an easy enough job. So first thing I'm going to do is cut this pipe off. Now to do this I'm going to have it standing upright in the vise so that all the swarf that falls into the end tank will stay in the end tank, not go into the core. Then I can simply vacuum it out later. After we've cut that off, I've got to make a new piece of pipe because I don't have anything in this diameter, so I'm just going to use a piece of sheet metal, and I'm going to use a piece of steel pipe that's a little bit smaller than what I need, and use a rubber mallet to form the sheet metal into a cylinder, and then it's just a simple weld up job. Pretty close. the mounts are just going to be some aluminium that I've got that's got a bit of bolt in it, and the owner is going to make that fit his vehicle. Now it's just a skid pig, so he's not overly worried about how amazing it looks. Alright, so I got these brackets welded on, very much not well, because I've run out of gas with the TIG. I do actually think I was running out of gas when I was finishing this weld on the very inside corner, because it looks horrible. But these should hold for now. If we have any issues, then I'll have more gas and I'll be able to weld it again properly. But these should do it for now. I'll take it over and get it fitted to the vehicle, and well, as always, customize everything.